Hello everyone, this year Google has completely changed how we do research, create visuals, and turn ideas into outcomes, and it's all thanks to NotebookLM and Gemini, two tools that, when combined, create one of the most powerful workflows you can use today. NotebookLM acts as your research brain. It can read massive documents, reports, articles, and even YouTube transcripts and extract deep, structured insights. Then Gemini takes those insights and transforms them into slides, infographics, and strategy dashboards all in seconds. So in this video, I'll show you how this combined workflow can completely change the way you work. We'll use it to turn insights into infographics, research into presentations, trends into interactive maps, and data into strategy dashboards. So let's start with the first one. Okay, for our first use case, we're going to see how Notebook and Gemini can turn a 500-page academic textbook into a single professional-looking infographic page. So here I have this textbook, Advances in Artificial Intelligence, more than 500 pages of theory, research, and data. So here's what we need to do. First, we'll head over to NotebookLM and create a new notebook, then click on Upload Sources and upload the full textbook file. NotebookLM supports large documents, so it can read and analyze the entire 500-page book. Once the upload finishes, we'll give it this prompt. Extract the main insights, key data, and statistics, and organize them into 5 sections: core themes, milestones, data and trends, ethics, and future directions. Okay, so you can see NotebookLM has scanned the entire textbook and pulled out the key insights from over 500 pages, grouping everything into clear sections. You can see it captured not just the theory, but real data and trends, from AI transparency and explainable systems to human-AI collaboration, usability frameworks, and future research directions. Next, we'll head over to Gemini. This is where we turn all those insights into a clear, professional infographic. We'll paste everything we got from NotebookLM straight into Gemini, then click on Tools and make sure you turn on Canvas mode. Then we'll add this prompt: create a clean, professional infographic using a light modern color palette, soft blues and grays, with 5 clearly divided visual sections, icons, charts, and balanced spacing. And here's the final result from Gemini. It's clean, well-structured, and looks like a professional executive summary. The infographic automatically organizes the textbook insights into clear sections, starting with core strategic drivers, then moving into evidence-based performance metrics, and finishing with augmentation and interface design. Each section blends text and visuals, short data highlights, simple charts, and key statistics like workload reduction and accuracy rates, making the information instantly readable, and it turns hundreds of pages of dense material into an infographic that's concise, elegant, and ready to present. Okay, for our second use case, we're going to build a complete research presentation using both NotebookLM and Gemini. So first, we'll head over to NotebookLM, create a new notebook, and then click Discover Sources and type Latest Thinking on the Future of Artificial General Intelligence, including research papers and expert opinions. NotebookLM will instantly search and compile credible materials, academic articles, reports, and even video transcripts from leading researchers and organizations. Once we've reviewed the list, we'll select the most relevant sources and add them to a new notebook. This gives us a complete knowledge base. Now that we've gathered all our sources, we'll ask NotebookLM to turn them into a clear presentation outline. Here's the prompt we'll use. Based on all sources in this notebook, create a 10-slide outline titled The Latest Thinking on the Future of Artificial General Intelligence. Each slide should include a title, 2 or 3 key points, and short source notes for credibility. NotebookLM instantly structures the content. It maps out the main ideas, from AGI definitions and technical frontiers to ethical concerns, governance frameworks, and emerging global viewpoints. Once we have this outline ready, we'll take it over to Gemini, paste in the outline, and use this prompt. Turn this into a 10-slide presentation, add short slide headlines, smooth transitions, and suggest relevant visuals like timelines, charts, and key quotes. And again, we need to make sure we switch on Canvas mode. Okay, so now let's look at the output. We've got a professional, well-structured presentation that looks clean, modern, and data-driven. Gemini has transformed the outline into a complete deck. Clear sections, balanced visuals, and concise text that flows naturally from one idea to the next. It captures the key insights, integrates real statistics, and presents everything in a polished, presentation-ready format. Overall, it's exactly what you'd expect from combining NotebookLM's structured research with Gemini's visual design, credible, cohesive, and ready to share. Okay, for our next use case, we're going to map out the most in-demand AI skills of 2025 as an interactive constellation map. We'll start in NotebookLM and select Discover Sources, then type Latest Job Market and Labor Trend Reports on AI Skills 2025 site in LinkedIn or WEF or Coursera or OECD. NotebookLM gathers verified data from credible labor reports and skill indexes. Next, we'll use the mind map feature to visualize the results. Once it's generated, we'll open it up and explore each cluster, expanding the branches to see how skills connect across roles and sectors. When the map looks complete, we'll download it as an image. Then we'll go to Gemini, upload the mind map, and use this prompt. Create a constellation map titled The Most In-Demand AI Skills of 2025. Show 6 main clusters, color code each, and add hover text for every skill. Gemini instantly transforms it into a clean, interactive visual. Each cluster is clearly defined in various colors. Hovering over any node brings up concise details. For example, ethics expands to show its purpose, and even lists example roles like AI ethicist. It's smooth, balanced, and well-spaced, giving you a professional, explorable view of how AI skills connect across domains and industries. Okay, for this use case, we're going to see how small businesses can use NotebookLM and Gemini to build a live AI strategy board, a decision-ready dashboard powered by verified insights. We'll start inside NotebookLM and select Discover Sources, then type Current Trends in AI Adoption by Small Businesses 2024 to 2025. NotebookLM gathers credible reports from sources like McKinsey, Deloitte, OECD, and WEF, covering how AI is being used across marketing, HR, and automation. Next, we'll ask, summarize the key AI tools small businesses are adopting. Include tool type, maturity level, cost-value ratio, barriers to adoption, and whether to adopt, monitor, or avoid. NotebookLM builds a structured table showing high ROI tools like generative AI, areas to monitor like HR automation, and emerging tools to watch closely. Now we'll move to Gemini, paste the table, and activate Canvas, and use this prompt. Create an interactive strategy board for AI tools used by small businesses. Include filters for maturity, cost value, and strategic action. Gemini instantly turns it into a clean, dynamic dashboard. You can filter trends and explore tools across categories, from generative AI for content and customer service chatbots to operational automation and marketing analytics. Each card shows the use case, barriers, and an action label, adopt, monitor, or avoid, all color-coded for clarity. Below that, the Strategic Insights panel highlights the essentials: quick wins in productivity and customer service, key adoption barriers like skills gaps and ethics, and a clear roadmap: short-term, adopt low-cost, high ROI tools; medium-term, scale chatbots and marketing AI; long-term, expand automation carefully. The strategic decisions section visualizes what to adopt, monitor, or avoid, giving leaders a quick, actionable snapshot of their AI priorities. It's a complete data-driven strategy board built entirely from verified research. Notebook ensures the information is credible, and Gemini turns it into a live, interactive dashboard ready for decision-making. So in this video, we've seen the powerful workflow that combines NotebookLM and Gemini, turning research into visuals, presentations, maps, and strategy dashboards all in one process. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.